Most people think of baking soda as something you just keep in the back of your fridge or use for baking. But what if I told you it could actually be one of the most powerful wellness tools in your home? That's right. This humble white powder has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and modern research is now catching up, revealing how baking soda can support your body in some incredible ways. Especially if you're over 60, the benefits can be life-changing. In this video, we're uncovering 8 science-backed health problems that baking soda can help with, and how to use it safely. Some of these might surprise you, especially benefit number 3, which has even been studied by the National Institutes of Health. So stick around till the end, you don't want to miss this. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. We share weekly content focused on health, longevity, and feeling your best at every age. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Now let's dive into the 8 amazing ways baking soda can support your health. Benefit number 8, natural heartburn and acid reflux relief. Heartburn isn't just uncomfortable, it can be a sign of deeper digestive imbalances. As we get older, our stomach produces less acid, which may sound good, but it actually leads to poor digestion and acid reflux. That burning sensation in your chest after eating? It's more than just a nuisance. Baking soda is a natural antacid, meaning it neutralizes stomach acid and provides relief quickly. Just dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into 4 to 6 ounces of water and sip slowly. This works especially well after acidic meals or heavy dinners. However, don't use it daily without guidance. Too much can raise your sodium levels or alter your body's pH balance. Use it no more than 1 to 2 times a day for occasional relief. Benefit number 7, supports kidney health. Your kidneys help filter waste and acid from your blood. But as we age, especially with conditions like high blood pressure or type 2 diabetes, our kidneys can struggle. In fact, older adults are more likely to develop chronic kidney disease, and many don't even know it. Clinical studies suggest that baking soda, when taken in small, controlled amounts, may help slow the progression of kidney damage by reducing the acidity of your blood. One study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology showed that patients who took baking soda daily had slower disease progression and better kidney function over time. To try this safely, dissolve 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in water, and speak with your doctor before using it regularly. For seniors, even a small shift in blood pH can have a big impact. Benefit number 6, reduces muscle pain and fatigue. Many seniors experience muscle cramps, soreness, and fatigue, even after light physical activity. One possible cause? A buildup of lactic acid, which naturally occurs when muscles are overworked or inflamed. Baking soda works as a lactic acid buffer, helping your muscles recover more quickly and easing discomfort. A great way to take advantage of this is with a baking soda bath. Just add 1/2 to 1 cup of baking soda to a warm bath, along with Epsom salt or lavender essential oil for extra relaxation. Soak for 20 minutes and let your muscles unwind. This can also help reduce inflammation, promote better circulation, and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. It's a simple ritual with big results. Benefit number 5, neutralizes body odor, without harsh chemicals. As our skin changes with age, we may become more sensitive to commercial deodorants, many of which contain aluminum, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. Baking soda offers a natural, affordable, and effective alternative. It works by neutralizing the acids in sweat that cause odor, rather than just masking it. You can mix 1 part baking soda with 2 parts coconut oil to create a gentle homemade deodorant. Add a few drops of tea tree or lavender oil for a pleasant scent and antimicrobial benefits. This is especially helpful for those with skin sensitivities, allergies, or those looking to reduce their exposure to synthetic ingredients. It's also safer for those with thyroid or hormone concerns, where avoiding certain chemicals is advised. Benefit number 4, soothes urinary discomfort and supports pH balance. As we age, especially for women, urinary discomfort becomes more common. From mild UTI symptoms to general irritation, it's often due to acidic urine or imbalanced urinary tract flora. Baking soda is alkaline, meaning it can help neutralize urine acidity, reducing burning sensations or urgency. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach once a day. It may help soothe mild discomfort and restore urinary balance. But be careful, this is not a replacement for medical treatment. If symptoms persist or include fever, always consult your doctor. Think of baking soda as a first step to bring short-term relief and create a healthier urinary environment. Benefit number 3, reduces inflammation and autoimmune risk. This might be one of the most impressive discoveries. A study from the Medical College of Georgia, funded by the NIH, found that drinking baking soda water stimulates the spleen to produce anti-inflammatory cells. This could help reduce systemic inflammation, a major factor in aging, arthritis, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders. Researchers found that a small daily dose of baking soda in water shifted the body from an inflammatory to an anti-inflammatory state. That means less joint stiffness, less swelling, and even improved immune regulation. To try it, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water once daily, for 2 to 3 weeks. Then take a break and monitor how your body feels. If you have arthritis, autoimmune conditions, or unexplained fatigue, you may feel a real difference. Benefit number 2, improves oral health, naturally. Dental health becomes more challenging with age. Receding gums, enamel wear, and dry mouth can all increase the risk of cavities and gum disease. Baking soda is a natural tooth cleanser and whitener that helps neutralize acids, remove plaque, and freshen breath. You can create a gentle baking soda paste using water or hydrogen peroxide and brush with it 2 to 3 times a week. It helps reduce bacteria without damaging enamel when used properly. You can also make a quick mouth rinse by mixing 1/2 teaspoon in a small glass of warm water. This is especially helpful for seniors dealing with dry mouth or oral sensitivity, as it's non-abrasive and helps balance oral pH levels. Your dentist may even recommend it. Benefit number 1, supports digestive health and gentle detox. Bloating, indigestion, and gas are common complaints, especially after meals rich in fats or acidic foods. Baking soda can support healthy digestion by helping the stomach break down food more efficiently and relieving pressure from trapped gas. Drink 1/2 teaspoon in water before a heavy meal, and you may notice reduced bloating and better digestion. It can also gently support your body's detox process by balancing internal acidity, especially after processed or sugary foods. And while baking soda isn't a long-term detox plan, it's a helpful tool to use a few times a week when your body feels off or sluggish. Pair it with Goli Supergreens Gummies. If you're looking to boost these benefits naturally, we recommend Goli Supergreens Gummies. They're packed with essential nutrients like vitamin B12, spirulina, kale, and artichoke leaf, designed to support digestion, detox, immune health, and energy. They pair perfectly with baking soda, giving your body both alkaline support and nutritional backup. And unlike messy green powders, these gummies taste great and are easy to take daily. You can find the link in the description if you want to check them out. Until next time, stay strong, stay balanced, and as always, stay healthy.